Semana mos alegres y sanos. Buena semana mos alegres y sanos. Para mis hijos bendezir, para mis hijos bendezir, en el deje bivir, alegres y sanos. Buena semana mos alegres y sanos. Buena semana mos alegres y sanos. Para fadar y sercuzir, para fadar y sercuzir, para poner los tefelin. Buena semana mos alegres y sanos. Buena semana mos alegres y sanos. A nuestros padres que nombran, a nuestros padres que nombran, para los novios alegrar. Buena semana mos alegres y sanos. Buena semana mos alegres y sanos. Nuestra Torah venera, nuestra Torah venera, İspanyol inensazan. Buena semana mos alegres y sanos. Buena semana mos alegres y sanos. Buena semana mos alegres y sanos.
Good evening. My name is Paulette Navarro, and I am one of the co-founders of Kantigas Muestras, and I am from Istanbul, Turkey, and my ancestors came to Turkey at the time of the Spanish Inquisition in 1492. And I just wanted to tell you the story about how this group started. It was 2014, and it was the Ladino symposium, this conference, and we were at the reception, and a few of us started to sing in Ladino and Turkish. Ruby, Venus, and we started to sing, and that was such a soulful moment. We were so happy that we said, let's form a group where we can sing in Ladino. And we did that just for the joy of singing. But then what happened is that then we felt, oh, we need to pass on this culture. So another goal is to pass it on to the future generations, and my grandchildren are here today, and my children are here, so I am passing it on, I guess.